When side leakage is performed on the air conditioning system, it needs to be used in conjunction with our air conditioner, pressure gauge, and multifunctional air pump. The multifunctional pump has two interfaces. One is the air pump interface, one is the vacuum pump interface. The pump interface is used to inject air into the refrigerant pipeline. Check for refrigerant leaks. The vacuum pump interface is used to extract air from the refrigerant line. Now we open multifunctional pump. Inject air into the air conditioning system. It is convenient to check the leakage of the refrigerator. Then turn on the low pressure meter. The high voltage gauge circuit is opened. Inject air into the system. The pressure of the high and low pressure gauge pipeline should reach about 10 to 15. The pipeline pressure should not be too high. Prevent damage to the refrigerant line. When enough pressure is injected into the air conditioning system, we should first check whether there is any leakage at the interface of the air conditioner pipeline, the interface of the compressor pipeline, and the interface of the heat dissipation network. Use water foam. Connect the line for side leakage. When the air conditioning line leaks, leak testing using foam. There is pressure leakage in the air conditioner pipeline. It indicates that there is leakage in the air conditioning pipeline. When there is a leak in the air conditioning pipeline of the air conditioning system, we need to take down the air conditioning line. Check whether the rubber ring is damaged. If the rubber ring is damaged, the rubber ring should be replaced. Before removing the air conditioning line, we need to relieve the remaining pressure inside the air conditioning pipeline. Then the leaking pipeline. Cancel. The air conditioner rubber ring is damaged. We need to replace the air conditioner rubber ring. Remove the air conditioner rubber ring. Install the appropriate air conditioner apron. Then use compressor refrigeration oil. Apply to the surface of the rubber ring to prevent damage the air conditioner rubber ring during installation. Flat the air conditioner pipeline rubber ring. Press into the compressor. Press in gently. Bring its fix and screws in. Hold it tight. Then repressurize the side leakage of the air conditioning pipeline.